My dear students, I am going to explain you that in an isosceles triangle, the angle bisectors of the interior base angles will meet inside the triangle at point O. Suppose ABC is a triangle and angle B and angle C's bisectors are meeting at O. So here you will find that angle BOC is equals to the exterior angle ACD. Here BC has been produced till D, and then angle ACD becomes the exterior angle, and this exterior angle ACD will be equals to the interior angle BOC. In this isosceles triangle, AB and AC are equal, and BC has been produced till D. Okay, and angle B and angle C bisector meet at O inside the triangle, and angle BOC is formed, and this angle BOC will be equals to exterior angle or external angle ACD. Not only this, here if this CB is produced left side, CB means left side I am producing, because ABC is a triangle. BC is produced, then it is produced right side. But when I tell CB is produced, then it will be produced left side. And then the external angle will be formed, angle ABD. And this angle ABD external angle will be also equals to angle BOC, which is formed inside the triangle, which is the meeting point of the angle B and angle C's bisectors. So we have always to keep in mind, if there is an isosceles triangle, and in that case the base angles which are equal, that's bisector is drawn, and then where the point where the bisectors are meeting, that angle what is formed, as here it is BOC is formed, that will be equals to the external angles, whether BC is produced right side or left side, it will be equals to, if it is produced right side, then it will be angle ACD, and if it is produced left side, then it will be angle ABD. Yeah, D is taken separately. So this thing always we have to keep in mind. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.